Hey there, and welcome to this tutorial on designing printable recipe cards in Studio. Let's dive right in. First, click on Create New Design and set the custom dimensions to around 7 by 5 inches, perfect for a recipe card size. With your blank canvas ready, let's give it some color. Head to Backgrounds and choose a color that matches your vibe. Next, we're going to add 3 squares from the Elements tab. These will serve as text boxes for different sections on our card. Now, switch to the text tool and add the word recipe in the top square, making sure it's bold and easy to read. Right below, add sections for prep time and cook time to keep everything organized. Moving on, let's add a text box for the ingredients list and another for the directions. Here's a handy tip. To make dotted lines for a neat look, just add a text box with dots. It's an easy way to create customizable lines for your text. Feeling creative? Personalize further with icons or illustrations. Maybe a cute utensil or ingredient from the Graphics tab to bring your card to life. Once everything looks just right, double-check the layout and spacing, then download your design. Your custom recipe card is now ready to print. Happy crafting and have fun cooking!